Hi boys and girls, today we're going to be doing how many sounds. Our spelling pattern for the week is long vowels with silent E. Remember that when a vowel says its name, it has a silent E at the end. All right, the first word is home. What is the word? That's right, home. Let's finger stretch the sounds. Get your hands ready. O, How many sounds are in the word home? That's right, 3 sounds. Okay, now we're going to write the word home. Oh, Oh, I remember that vowel said its name, so it has a silent E at the end. We had 3 sounds in the word home. All right, the next word is tape. Let's finger stretch the word tape. Get your fingers ready. How many sounds do I hear? I hear 3 sounds. Also, I remembered that A says its name, so I know that it has a silent E at the end. Let's spell the word. Ape. And circle 3 sounds. All right. The next word is theme. What's the word? That's right, theme. Let's finger stretch the sounds. Oh, I heard this sound at the beginning. I remember that that's like a TH digraph. 2 letters that come together to make a new sound. Let's write the word. 3 sounds. Our next word is the word break. What's the word? That's right, break. Let's finger stretch the sounds. Get your hands ready. B-R-A-K. 4 sounds. Let's write the word. A-K. Oh, A says its name, so I know there's a silent E at the end. And I'm going to circle 4 sounds. All right. The next word is the word tune. What's the word? That's right, tune. Let's finger stretch the sounds. T-U-N. 3 sounds. Let's write the word. T-U-N. 3 sounds. Okay, the next word is the word shine. Okay, let's finger stretch the sounds. Sh-I-N. I hear 3 sounds. Oh, I also hear a consonant digraph, S-H. Shh. All right, let's write the word. Sh-I-N. Oh, I says its name, so it has a silent E at the end. And it has 3 sounds. Okay, the next word is slope. What's the word? That's right, slope. Let's finger stretch the sounds. S-O-O. 4 sounds. Let's write the word. O says its name, so I know there's a silent E at the end. And that had 4 sounds. Okay, the next word is the word kite. What's the word? That's right, kite. Let's finger stretch the sounds. K-I-T. 3 sounds. Let's write the word. K-I-T. Oh, I says its name, so I know there's a silent E at the end. And there were 3 sounds. Okay, the next word is the word grape. What's the word? That's right, grape. Let's finger stretch the sounds. G-R-A-P. 4 sounds. Let's write the word. G-R-A-P. A says its name, so there's a silent E at the end. And I had 4 sounds. All right, the last word is the word chime. What's the word? That's right, chime. Let's finger stretch the sounds. Ch-I-M. 3 sounds. Oh, I hear a consonant digraph, C-H at the beginning. Ch-I-M. I says its name, so there's a silent E at the end. And I had 3 sounds. All right, good job doing your How Many Sounds paper. Remember to be responsible and complete something on your must-do list before you complete your can-do list.